This is the way we film. We place a camera inside the head shield, get it all set up. My wife press play, and then I hear the ping and start to weld. So if you're wondering, this is the way that we do our filming. And so, see how it goes. YouTube. I've just watched the footage. My wife was going on, or sorry, the camera woman was going on about flickering. Why does the arc flicker? Well, I didn't see any flickering, and I think it was the head shield she was using. I've taken the head shield, taken the head strap out of it, or the headband, and it's my granddaughter's favourite actually, a Tack Life. So I turned it down to 10 or 9, so I don't know if that was impeding. So if you see any flickering, I'll post this before the actual weld itself. So you see any flickering, I've no idea what was going on. So don't forget, subscribe. I'm still stuck on 95. So see you at the end of this video. Yeah?
Yep.
Bye. Stop. Hey YouTube, there's the TIG weld. Not really happy with it, but let's say 6.5 out of 10. That was a student in the welding school. Bit light on the weld metal. Full fusion, so that would take a flattening with a hammer. I haven't used the Andeli. I'm upset with them. I've just found out that they do a Euro connector TIG torch, so I'm not going to use it. I bought a TIG torch. It's coming, a Euro TIG torch. It's coming next week or the week after. So I've used this little Erksebogen ACD TIG set. Why use crap if you've got good stuff? That's got a foot pedal. So that's that done. So now just the gasless. I'm dreading that because that's not easy, because we're dragging as you do with slag, and then the bronze weld at the end. So we'll see how that goes. Hey, welcome back to Welding with Grandad. This is why I always have flow indicators or flow meters. That's 3 or 4 litres, a third of a cubic metre an hour. So I hope that's of use. End the message.